In the heart of the town, a determined artisan faces the stark reality of a failing bakery. In a moment of desperation, fate whispers through the pages of a long-lost recipe. The weight of impending closure looms as financial burdens crush any hope of survival. A digital savant intertwines her skills with the baker's magic, sparking a flame of online intrigue. The scent of success mingles with apprehension as an unexpected visitor heralds both hope and fear. In the shadows, a rival's envy takes form, threatening to poison the sweet taste of newfound success. Arms open wide, the town embraces the phoenix rising from the ashes, turning a faded dream into a triumphant reality. Amidst the sweet symphony of success, a woman's legacy rises like a phoenix from the embers of despair, her resilience a beacon of hope for all.